How to start a beauty salon. First, set up a shop. Dreaming of opening your own beauty salon? Owning your own salon can be a steady source of income and the perfect opportunity to have more independence and be your own boss. To help you turn your salon dream into a reality, we've put together a comprehensive guide to starting your own beauty salon that includes everything you need to know to get started. Number 1. Choose the right location. Location is critical to the success of your business. Consider these factors. Get into a high-traffic area. Busy streets, malls, or spaces next to locations people visit often, such as grocery stores, are ideal. Try to have easy access. If parking is a hassle and traffic is thick on the way to your salon, people might not consider it worth the effort. Stay away from the competition. Don't situate yourself directly next to another salon. You'll cancel each other out. Instead, try to stake out a place where you'll be the only salon for a few blocks. Number 2. Take care of any licensing. Unfortunately, running a business means having to deal with red tape and paperwork. Here's what you need to take care of. Get a business license. All businesses in the U.S. must be licensed. Check out the Small Business Administration website for more help. In the United States, all personal appearance workers must be licensed. That includes cutting or coloring hair, painting nails, hair removal, and makeup application. Rules vary by state, so contact your local division of occupational and professional licensing. Make sure your salon can pass a health inspection. To avoid fines or, even worse, being shut down by the health department, make sure your salon is sanitary and following the guidelines laid out by your state. For an example of what to expect, check out New York State's salon requirements. Number 3. Hire qualified and trained personnel. The cosmetic procedures performed by untrained personnel may cause health problems to the clients. It is important that you hire only qualified and well-trained salon professionals. Remember, it is your responsibility as the salon owner to ensure that your personnel are adequately trained and understand each procedure offered. Experience may give a salon professional the expertise to render treatment, but, without proper training, she would be unaware of the merits and demerits of procedures. Have a short but clear salon procedures manual in place as soon as you can, and give each employee a contract when they start. These documents are usually easy to find on the internet and you can then customize them to your business. It will save you a lot of headaches in the long run if you are set up properly at the beginning. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.